What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! What's up, everybody? POHBOYS are back, working on good old Shipwreck's 4runner. We're working on his
there's noises, and I think it's a little over control arms, so we're gonna just swap them out because the originals, and they got like 240,000 miles on them. So it's the only thing in the lower suspension I probably haven't changed.
So we'll get to it, and it'll be a lot better, and there'll be no noises. So yeah, woohoo!
Stay tuned. Oh, they haven't seen the roof.
And check out what he just added. He added this sick roof rack right here, because we didn't show it last time.
No, it wasn't last time we went.
No, that's nice. Yeah. And then your sick TRD, which means the real deal.
Tires all around.
Yeah, it was all fresh all around, right? Yeah, it's all fresh, huh?
Yeah, those tires I got with the deal combination for a pretty good price. I bought them off some person that
didn't want them anymore.
Yeah, she upgraded her car and then got rid of these.
Yeah, these are beefy.
They look nice.
Yeah, that's really nice. Good setup. It looks beefier with everything we've done, and you added what you added.
I just need the front grill, the crazy grill on the front.
Yeah.
That's nothing else I really need to do. Nothing needs it.
Yeah, no, just a little,
good enough, right?
Little TLC.
Yeah, hopefully this gets rid of that noise because it's been annoying.
All right, well, bring her in, buddy.
Raiders!
Raider Nation.
Raiders!
Let's see the fresh parts, man. Where's the freshies? In the bricks. Rock Auto, of course, right?
Yeah. Fucking way cheaper.
Yeah.
I think the local parts store was gonna charge like almost 200 a piece.
Whoa.
Calm down now. Calm down now.
Gave out. These are $80 a piece.
80? That's not bad.
And they're already built?
Yeah. They already got the bushings on them.
So no pressing of the press. And
I'm not doing any of that bullshit.
Yeah. Well, it should be easy. Just a couple zingers and you be zinging it.
Yeah, I watched a video. Some guy, Timmy the Tool Man. Took him like 4 hours or so.
Okay. We'll cut that in half.
Yeah. We're not gonna torque it.
Did you get a magnet?
I didn't see one.
No magnet! It's not even in the package. There's no magnet anywhere.
No mommy's way.
Ah, that's a bummer. Oh my god. We ordered all these parts. Can't even give a dang magnet to us. Buddy.
Bud.
How's it going?
It's been right.
Yeah. My stomach was killing me, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
better?
Way better. What you guys been doing?
He's marking the shit.
The alignment?
Yeah.
Chingaderas?
Just to put it back.
Yeah. Is that right? So we're pretty much taking off this whole arm right here.
Yeah. Lower control arm.
Lower control arm. Those are all loose. Ready on that. Those are all marked over now.
Yeah, sure.
Chia. We caught it now, Chia.
Pew.
There you go. Loosened it for sure.
All right. Well, this is all connected to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one that actually adjusts it.
Oh, okay.
It makes this go like this. Whoop. It makes it go left and right.
Probably same size again.
Yeah, but so the guy in the video, he said to take off or loosen up the steering rack so you can actually get the bolt in there
To get.
to get to that.
Well, god dang, Shipwreck.
I know.
It's always something, ain't it?
I think that's the only one he did because I think you can just move it out of the way.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. You ready to do it?
Just do it, do it, do it.
God damn the alarm.
So yeah, we're taking off the bolt right here, so we could push the rack and pinion back a little bit, so we get to that bolt right here because it's come out. Just gonna hit it. Just take this off. It's ridiculous. Something so easy, but not really. Oh well, we're doing it up.
It's easy, just a lot of little steps.
Yeah. Yeah, get out of there, man.
That sounds scary.
Is it flexing at all?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. Enough for the bolt to come out?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If we need to.
This bolt right here needs to come out this way. Yeah, let's see if it flexes a lot. Put it over here.
We didn't have to get it out.
Yeah.
Cross that bridge.
When we get to it. Did it?
Yeah, let's see.
It's strong.
You're so strong.
Cheese pizza don't stop me.
Cheese, pickle, wiggle, wiggle. It follow.
Cheese pizza makes you giggle giggle on the toilet.
Now I'm giggling on the toilet too every 5 minutes now. The pizza got to me,
Alright.
man.
That's loose enough. So let me get this fucker off.
Right. I got it. There you go.
Wait.
Got it. Well, that's dumb. Alright, we got that one out. All good?
Well, you probably have to slide this out to get this in anyway. You have to slide it out anyway.
Oh, the whole thing comes out?
Yeah.
Oh,
To get this off, you gotta lift it again.
wow, dude. All that just for this? Yeah, he almost got him in the face.
You almost got me in the face.
That's what I was saying. Yeah.
We're just trading faces.
Yeah, see? And then this thing comes out too. So with that out.
Here goes, let's go to that one. Look this up.
Oh, what are you trying? You're just trying to knock that out?
Yeah. Nope.
It's out.
Is that?
Just
It's
about.
out.
Just about.
Oh,
Here.
pop it for me.
There we
There
go.
you go. There you go. That one out. This is all good. Take off.
This one was on this side, right?
Yeah.
I'm putting the suspension bolts right here. Gotta knock that one out. Or
with a hammer.
There it goes. Alright, there goes shit.
you pop that
Now
out.
lift that.
You could lift it. Lift it.
Lift the whole caliper.
Lift the caliper up, pop right out. Woo. Alright, all that. Oh. Woohoo.
See how fucked up they are?
Yeah, they're.
They don't look that bad. But...
Well, let's hope hopefully it fixes the problem.
Yeah, like that's chewed up in there, huh? Tubing's in here. The bump.
Bumpless.
So I gotta take them off.
Probably just a cap.
Do you think they spin? It's threaded here.
Oh, you could try it.
You just gotta wrench it.
Threaded.
Hold on to your pants. No.
It's too big for you.
It's not gonna do it, Captain. Bad?
Is it easy?
So far?
Alright, that's nice. Woo, look at that.
Not gonna be.
Yeah, we gotta lift up the Chingadera, throw it in. We got it.
So that one went on the rear, in the inner. So we still have to do.
What's that, baby? Get the crowbar.
Lift
we
that up.
probably went there.
Yeah, I think if you
Yeah,
just lift that up.
yeah. Update.
I gotta lower it back down. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
No.
Watch out. I'm gonna lower it down.
Okay. Well, one of the updates are we got it on. Connected.
Torqued in the back.
It's torqued in the back. It needs to be torqued in the front. Beep ba boo. Ba ba beep. Right?
Sure.
Am I right?
Something like that.
What's the update, Joey?
We got that side. Look how pretty it looks.
Yeah. Oh, you can eat off of it.
Yeah.
Give me some sushi.
I came with some sushi.
No, it's all done. It's all good. Little complications. You gotta take off this bolt to get to that bolt, to get to this bolt, just torque down this bolt to get to that bolt. You know what I'm talking about, Mr. Bolt?
Yeah, yo late.
And they're on the second side.
Take these off. Listen to these last.
You know the routine now. Repetitive.
Repetitive.
Super repetioso. Ask Kiaya.
Kiaya. Kiaya.
What a little affectionate little lick girl. You know,
Hi,
huh?
Lena. Hi, Lena. You're the skinniest here.
Woo! Well, that'll do it, everybody. We're all done. We did it. Simple video. I don't know. Do you feel a difference at all?
Oh yeah, well, we drove it around and it was the lower control arms. They were shot. I mean, 240,000 miles on this truck alone. And then once we replaced it, drove it around and the noise is gone. There's little bump stops we gotta get that are tough to get off. I need to find a little way to do it. But other than that, you know, the front is almost rebuilt completely now.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, can you order a new one?
Little
bump stop?
Maybe, but there's, I think you can take it off.
Okay.
We need a big wrench.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing and just keeping in touch with us. But look at, she looks great. She's looking beastie now, man. Yeah, she's super pretty. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see us on the next episode. Woohoo!
What's your name? I'm a watcher Santos Day. I'm a watcher Santos Day. Have you went through sky high? Have you went through sky high? Our hero, our champion, legend never die. Tonight, I feel just fine. Out on the street and out of my mind. Good guy knows well when we blow.
How's it coming, Ship? Almost done right now?
Yeah, I think I just gotta tighten that. Tighten that. That's torqued. Those two are torqued. This bottom's torqued. And then we just put the steering column back together. Hopefully that doesn't be a
Should be simple. That should be simple. Simple. It should be simple, right?
Oh. I need some poker in my life.
Give me
some poker in my life. Yodelay, 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 hoo, yodelay, 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 hoo, hoo.
Yeah.